Hi Aquarius, this message is for you for the new moon that's happening in the sign of Aquarius on the 11th of February, 11th and 12th of February. Alright, Aquarius, this is happening in your sign. So let's see. So this is a spread that we'll be doing where we'll be trying to receive messages from your spirit guides. What is the divine trying to communicate with you? While drawing each card, I'll tell you what the placement of the card means. We'll pull out one oracle card for this reading. Alright, Aquarius, deep breath. Stay connected to your roots. Stay connected with your soul. This message is for Aquarius. Go the distance. Some sort of action that Aquarius needs to take. If you have been contemplating on something, it feels very new to me. New moon is all about starting new, starting afresh, letting go of anything, any past trauma, baggages that you've been holding on that's not letting you move forward. Wow, we already have three cards that fell off. Let's see. I think there's one more. Just a second, guys. Sorry about that, Aquarius. Alright, sorry about the mess. Let's see. These cards are really slippery. Alright, Aquarius, this message is for Aquarius for the new moon that's happening. What messages want to come through for Aquarius this new moon? This is all about healing, so please don't focus on the other aspects. Rather try and focus on where is it that you need to heal and need help or guidance from your spirit guides. Yes, this is for you. The first card we'll be pulling out is what are your spirit guides trying to tell you. Alright, the second card is how can you take action on your spirit guides' advice. The third is how can you better connect with your spirit guides. Wow. Aquarius. Alright. What are your spirit guides trying to help you with? You have the Page of Swords here. It could be about, I don't know, this card symbolizes a lot about studying, a lot of trying to gain some wisdom. You will be walking on a thin rope. You may feel that this is very risky, but whatever it is that you are contemplating on whether you should go forward with or not, I do see it will bear fruits. You may be getting some sort of downloads from your spirit guides. I do sense that as well. Some messages that want to come through you. Try to connect better with your soul. Try to hear the messages that are coming through for you, Aquarius. They are trying to help you. This is like an action card for me here in this deck. It's telling you, like, go for it. Take that leap of faith. Okay, how can you take action on this is literally starting whatever it is that you want to start. You see it's growing, it's creating its roots. So lay down your roots on whatever it is that you are thinking and make sure your roots are strong of whatever it is that you plan on beginning. The foundation has to be strong for the plant to survive, to sustain, to grow. All right, it's asking you to take action clearly. This is a very action oriented, action driven, very humanitarian. Aquarius is a sign of humanity as a whole. It's all about we together. What are we going to bring in together? How can you connect better is definitely through whatever it is that you want to work on. 8 of Pentacles you have here. How can you better connect with your spirit guides? Definitely through your work, because you have so much dedication and so much hard work that goes in. I definitely feel a lot of heart and soul being put in whatever it is that you are trying to achieve, whatever task it is you are trying to accomplish. And through that task is how you will be able to better connect with your intuition, your soul, your spirit guides, and you will be receiving messages through them. Aquarius, very beautiful action oriented energy I see here for you on this new moon that's happening in your sign. Alright, Aquarius, I hope this message resonated with you guys. If not, please watch out for your moon, rising Venus or Jupiter. And please take what resonated with you and leave what did not. Not every message here is meant for everyone, like I always say. Alright, Aquarius, until next time, see you soon. Bye-bye.